Hey everyone! You've probably seen how powerful Veo V3 is for generating stunning AI videos, but that $250 price tag? Ouch.
Control, I think, this place.
It's not abandoned.
Good news though. You can try Veo V3 completely free for a month, thanks to Google. Let me show you how. First, check out these samples I made using V3.
If we don't make that bridge in 60 seconds, this mission is over.
Pretty cinematic, right? Now let's test it with a new prompt. A lone space explorer walking on a glowing alien planet, looking up at twin moons. Epic sci-fi short. The results? Incredible visuals and even AI voiceover. Now you're probably wondering, wait, don't I need a paid plan? Here's the trick. Go to gemini.google.com/subscription, click Get Started. Choose Google AI Pro. It gives you 1 month free access, no charge, just enter any card. Once you're in, you'll unlock access to Veo V3 with text-to-video capabilities. This is a legit free trial from Google, so take advantage of it while it lasts. Hope this helped. If it did, give it a like and feel free to ask me anything in the comments. See you in the next one.